Hey, are you tired of paying way too much for a pair of gloves or mittens? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you what I think are the best ski or snowboard gloves for under 50 bucks. Let's get it. Hey, I'm John with JohnLaGuardia.com, and if you're into the outdoors for photography, skiing, mountain biking, hiking, camping, backpacking, those sorts of things, you're in the right place. On this channel, I do tutorials and reviews with tips and tools for outdoor adventure. So if you're new here, welcome, and please consider subscribing. Okay, these are the M1 mittens, and they're a little bit warmer than the M1 Pro gloves that we showed in the last video. If you haven't seen that, make sure you go and check that out in the playlist. These are reinforced in the palms. They have good material here on the front to keep the wind out, but also keep the warmth in. They do have, I think it was a 200 gram fleece lining on the inside. So these are pretty warm gloves. You'd want these on a powder day for sure. Maybe sub-zero temperatures as well. You'll see that they have a Velcro strap on the top, so you can put your jacket inside of the glove and strap that down, or you can take that and tighten it down really good and put your jacket over the top of it. These are made from goat leather, so they're soft, supple, and if you stick around till the end of the video, you'll get my pro tip on how to keep these things lasting a lot longer. These are around 45 bucks, and for the price, you can't beat it. So a little pro tip, this is Obanoff's heavy duty leather preservative, and if you rub this on the gloves, this will really help extend the life. It'll reduce cracking, it'll make them more water resistant, and it's just fantastic stuff to make those gloves nice and soft. So check that out when you purchase the gloves online, and get yourself one of these 1 ounce bins that'll last you a whole season. And the reason these gloves are so cheap is that Truck is able to produce these without having a middleman. So they sell direct to the consumer, and they're able to sell a much higher quality glove for a lower price. Definitely check these out, give them a try. This year, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. I'll put a link in the description down below. Well, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one.